sense gratification, like, okay, I can touch, I can taste, and therefore I have a loving relationship. I can talk, right? But they all are centered around our sense perception. But beyond sense perception is our consciousness, right? Our consciousness now in the conditioned state of a living entity, the consciousness is flowing through the body, through the senses, right? And therefore the sense perceptions become so important. Because that is all that we know. But beyond the world of our sense perception, there is another reality. That's the spiritual reality. And this information by Rupa Goswami and Srila Prabhupada is making us aware of that reality and what is going to be available there. Right? So that is the difference. Now you are saying that yes, I can talk to somebody, I can touch that person, I can feel that person and so forth. Right? Yes, you can also have that same relationship with Krishna. But you have to follow the process. Right? So that, and it will be a reality. This will be a higher reality. That reality is so real, then you will realize that this so-called reality is only an illusion, like a dream. It's not real, it's a dream. But that's the absolute reality. And that is what Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Nectar of Devotion, will reveal to us. Krishna is real. Only we lost the ability to perceive him. It's not his defect, it's our defect. Just like a blind man may not be able to see the sun, but that doesn't affect the sun. It is the blind man's misfortune that he cannot see the sun. But there is a cure for his blindness, and Nectar of Devotion is giving us that cure. But when his eyes become, now he may not be able to see the sun because he is blind, but when his blindness is cured, then he will be able to see the sun.